The following graph gives information about London's street view. According to this graph, in the left area, there is a street view of the 19th century. The colours are black and white. And in the right area, it is a today's street view, which is colourful. What's more, in the background, you can see St. Paul's Cathedral, a white building. To sum up, this picture tells about London's street view. The following graph gives information about the graduation laboratory. I noticed that at the central area, there are a storage and toilets. What's more, animal sciences is in the lower left corner. According to this graph, the largest area is for plant sciences. In comparison, the smallest areas are offices. In conclusion, different rooms are displayed on the plan.
The following graph gives information about the annual change in forest area by region. Data of different areas are displayed on the map. The items include net gain, states, and net loss. According to this graph, the net gain in 1990 to 2000 is in Europe. In comparison, the largest net gain in 2000 to 2010 is in Asia. You can see from this graph that the largest net loss in 1990 to 2000 is in South America, and the smallest net loss in 2000 to 2010 is in North America. To sum up, different continents have different annual changes in forest area.
The following graph gives information about the closed-loop recycling process. It shows how the process is done. The steps include collect and recycle, sort and shred, mold and manufacture, and so on. According to this graph, the first step is to collect and recycle. Then sort and shred is the second step. You can see from this graph that the mold and manufacture follows. After that, it is to assemble and ship. Finally, it comes to purchase and use. To sum up, this graph tells us about recycling process.
The following graph gives information about teaching as a career. The items include final year student who wants to be a teacher, graduate students working in teaching, employed in the teaching field. According to this graph, the final year students who want to be a teacher is around 1%, and the percentage of graduate students working in teaching is around 7%, which is higher. You can see from this graph that the highest value is in employed in the teaching field, around 95%. What's more, the lowest share is in final year students who want to be a teacher, just 1%. To sum up, the graph tells about different percentages in teaching as a career.